Welcome back to Living with Zoe. I am Zoe. Today I'm going to make my aunt's favorite dessert, banana pudding. So let's get started. Now let's chop some bananas. It doesn't have to be perfect. Cut up as many bananas as you like. I just used 5. Let's use magic. This is gonna take forever. Now we're gonna add some milk. I use banana cream and French vanilla instant pudding. Now we're gonna mix. Mix, mix, mix. Add cream cheese and conics milk to the bowl. I use an electric mixer to get all the lumps. Add the pudding mixture to the bowl. Fold it into the mixture. Add some whipped cream. Add the Chessmen Butter Cookies at the bottom of the dish. Next, add the chopped bananas. Next, add the pudding mixture. Spread the pudding mixture until it's nice and smooth. Add another layer of cookies on top. This is my delicious banana pudding. This is the most tasty thing I ever made in my entire life. Thanks for watching Living with Zoe. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell.